All right, we're almost ready to do a rendering. A couple things. One, I want to change the material of the frame and sash of this window. I'd like it to be white. Right now, I believe it's wooden. Um, and I suppose I'm going to change the outside wall face to be a log finish. So maybe the wood trim is okay, but just as a lesson to be learned, if you click on this window and you go into the edit type, you're going to see it says glass material, sash material, trim material, trim exterior material. So it's deferring to the material trim. So what I'm going to do is the glass is fine. The sash material I'm going to change. I'm going to pick on here. It's going to bring me into my materials. I'm just going to go on the left and I'm going to pick, what will I pick? Is there a vinyl? Regular, just vinyl. Okay, color gray. I don't want gray, I want white vinyl. Okay, so hit OK. So the sash is going to be vinyl. The trim exterior is also going to be that same material. Back to here, vinyl. Off of here, good. Hit OK. Hit apply and watch what happens to my windows. Okay, all of a sudden my windows change. Now if you like the wood, then you can leave it with the wood finish, which is called, the material is called trim. Next thing I want to do is the outside of my walls. Watch. Pick on the wall. Okay, I could be in any view and it says this is a basic wall 6-inch exterior. We created this. We hit edit type, go into the structure. Okay, and it's got, look, this is the outside, this is the inside. So we have our drywall, we have our 5.5-inch studs, then we have a 2-inch of whatever material we want as our exterior cladding. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here to materials and I'm going to pick on there. Then I'm going to go back to here. And then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find a material in here called siding clapboard. There you go. Because we're going to duplicate it. There is no log wall finish material by default. So watch, I'm going to say material, because materials are a combination of rendered appearance plus cross section plus hatching. Materials take on a lot of different properties. Okay, so I'm going to take siding clapboard and down here, look, I'm going to say duplicate and I'm going to call it siding and I'm going to type log, L-O-G. That's a new material. The new material. Surface pattern is going to, might as well do that. Let's pick on here 6-inch parallel lines. No, I want like a 10-inch parallel line. So I'm going to go right in here right off the bat and say new, and I'm going to create this 10-inch parallel. That's just for the hidden line view on elevations, the non-rendered view. Angle, line angle is at 0. Okay, spacing is 10 inches. Hit OK. Now I have that. Hit OK. So now my surface pattern of this log is going to be 10 inches. When I cut it, it's going to be a cross hatching is fine. Okay, but now what I want to do is I'm going to go to appearance. Okay, for rendering, and inside of here I'm going to go down to siding. Okay, I'm over here now, still talking about my log material, and now I'm going to go down to my different swatches, and there's one called split log. Click. Now I have it. Okay, it's going to show up in there. Okay, split log. Now back in materials. So now my siding log material is going to use that rendered material. Okay, I can add different surface and bump patterns and stuff. The bump pattern is good. I can turn it up or down if I want to make it more bumpy looking. Okay, so that's good. So I've basically gone in, duplicated the siding clapboard into siding log, and then I went and changed it to be siding split log. Hit OK, hit OK, and I also added the parallel lines. Click out and look at what we have. Okay, now I just noticed it looks like this wall needs to have that offset. Watch, if I pick on here, this has base extension offset. Watch, Control C copies that to the clipboard. Pick on this wall, take this, Control V, bink, all from a perspective view. Zoom out. Look at that. Okay, now all we need to do is get in and do our render. And what we want to do is we want to have a couple of backdrop pictures. It's going to stretch it across the screen, so it doesn't have to be the right size. But what you want to do now is go find an image somewhere on the internet or take a photograph or something, and we're going to use that image as our background when we go in and do our rendering.